Field stripping the Kahr CW9. First, check for safety. With the left hand, align the notch in the slide with the one in the frame as shown. Turn the gun over and press the slide release pin with the butt of the magazine. You can now fully remove the slide release. Pull the trigger completely and push the slide assembly forward to remove it from the frame. Remove the recoil spring and its guide. Remove the barrel. The gun can now be cleaned. To reassemble the gun, place the barrel back into the slide. Replace the recoil spring and the guide. Replace the slide assembly onto the frame. Here is where I discovered some difficulty. The slide will not fully travel backwards unless you gently press down on the barrel while operating the slide. Once this is done, realign the notches as before and replace the slide release. Rack and dry fire the gun a couple of times to check for proper operation.